Alright guys, in this video, I have a special surprise for you. Another microphone, okay? It must be like the holiday season or something. But yeah, we have another microphone review, even though I just reviewed a microphone not too long ago. It's the holiday season. I want to give back to you guys. I don't need any more microphones for my own setup, but I'm going to show you guys what's in this actual microphone, or not you may want it. And if you're located in the US, all you have to do in order to win this microphone is like, subscribe, comment down below why you might want this microphone, and it could be yours. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. It came in this nice Amazon package, and I'm just going to start opening it. All right, so what we have here, it's the MAONO microphone. It almost sounds like Hawaiian, MAONO, I don't know. It actually feels like it's in really nice quality packaging. This microphone cost $34. All right, that's less than the last microphone we reviewed. Okay, $34 for this microphone, and the packaging looks supreme. Now, is the microphone supreme? We're gonna find out. The packaging is unreal. Look at the back of this. They got all these cool details on there. Instructions. Gotta love the instructions, you know. Then what we have here is a shock mount. It's made out of plastic, so don't expect anything crazy, especially for $34. It's, you know, you're not gonna get anything metal. I thought this was the stand. This is the actual size of the microphone. So here's my hand. Here's the microphone. Probably the smallest microphone I have unboxed yet. And just a comparison, here's the Shure MV7. And here is the MAONO microphone. Feels like plastic, which is not bad. You know, it's fine. It's a cheap microphone. It has just a nice simple gain knob. And then I don't think there's really anything else to it other than where you would plug it in right here. Next, what we have here is the pop filter. Oh my God, this thing is so cute looking. It's just, this actually does feel like it's metal. So yeah, metal pop filter, but then this is plastic. All right, so we got a piece of the stand. This is actually a little bit more old school, but we have a printer cable. They're a little bit more sturdy, but you know, not as versatile as maybe a lot of other cords are, which is fine. We don't really need to worry too much about that because it's just going in the back here. So just a generic USB-A that can plug into your PC or your laptop or whatever kind of device you may have. Ooh, this is probably the heaviest piece of the entire microphone. This is actually metal. Okay, this is the stand part. So metal, a little bit of plastic right here. The shock mount is plastic. Microphone, plastic coating. There could be some metal pieces inside of it. And then we have a nice metal mesh. Let's set this up and see how it sounds. So I'm just screwing in this microphone piece right here. Makes it a little bit taller, which is nice. And look at that. You can increase the height of it like so. If you want a little bit of height, there you go, not bad. This part feels pretty solid as well. I'm just going to make this like this. All right, so now to actually install this piece, all you have to do is put it in like so. There's a piece underneath that you're gonna wanna screw, and then you can turn both of them kind of the opposite way. This is what we have for the setup. It's on the shock mount on this metal platform, which is super nice feeling actually. So super heavy. Well, it's not super heavy, guys. It's probably like 2 pounds or something. But in comparison to the microphone feels like air. It's insane. It's super light. It's the make or break part of all this, okay? And this is optional, okay? So you don't have to put it on. Very simple setup. There's no need for confusion on a setup like this, okay? I'll show you guys how to add this to OBS, and then we're gonna start playing around and testing audio input capture. We can name this the MAONO. All right, then hit OK, default, USB condenser microphone. This is what this microphone sounds like. I can actually take off my headset because For this microphone, in comparison to all the other microphones I have reviewed, it actually does not have a headset jack. So if that is a deal breaker for you, you may not want to get this microphone. But if you don't care about that, that's okay. I just like to hear myself talk. I don't know if that's just me or what, but that's just the thing. So here's how it sounds. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Right now the gain is all the way to the top. Let me turn down the gain just so you guys can see as it gets softer, all the way down, and then turning it back up. I would recommend just kind of finding a setting you like and then keeping it there, just because like this pop filter might get in the way of it a little bit as you're trying to turn it. So what do you guys think? I don't think most of you guys would really notice this thing being only $34. I mean, it looks like a legit microphone, don't you think? And let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. How does it sound right now? Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? Here's me really close up to it. Here's me a little bit farther back. Here's me on the side of the microphone. Here's me on the other side. And let me turn it around. Here's me talking behind the microphone. Now that we know how this microphone sounds, let's do a sound comparison between this $34 microphone in comparison to the Shure MV7, and we're gonna see what the difference is. Right now, you are listening to the MAONO microphone. All right, this is the Shure MV7 microphone. Mind you, this microphone is almost 10 times as expensive as the MAONO microphone, okay? So if this sounds any close to it, or, you know, it may not be perfect, but if it sounds close, in person, I think it looks really professional. I don't know how it sounds yet. I'll leave a kind of a text blurb in front of the screen right now, how I think the MAONO microphone sounds in comparison to the Shure MV7. But here's the two sound comparisons from kind of a $250, $300 microphone to a $34 microphone. A big difference, okay? And it comes with the stand, which is nice. When I bought the Shure MV7, it only came with the microphone and the yoke, not the boom arm that I have right here, okay? So if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want this microphone, if you're liking this unboxing, this review of this microphone, subscribe, like this video, comment down below why you might want this microphone, and I will ship it to one of you in the comments down below if you are located anywhere in the United States. If you're located outside the United States, I'm sorry, this will not be available to win, but I will have more giveaways for you this holidays. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.